Welcome back. This is Jimmy Shaka here. Today we are going to talk about Linux, getting started with Linux. And the first thing I want to talk about is how to get help in Linux. Okay, it happens that you could get stuck trying to figure out what command to use and what options to use on a command. And to be quite frank with you, even the most expert people out there, no one has memorized all the options available for every command that's out there. It's almost impossible. So what do we do? How do we do? How do we go about getting that help? Okay. Today, let me introduce to you what we call MAN, M-A-N. That stands for manual. MAN. MAN is it's an interface to the system reference manual, and this is used as your manual for reference. For instance, let's say you wanted to learn how the ls command works and what are the options that you could use on the ls command. What you do is you type man for manual and then space ls, and then it's going to show you all the different options that are available and what they are for. At the very top, you're gonna get the first line says the name and what it's for. As you can see here, ls it's used to list directory contents, and this is the syntax. You type command ls space, you specify the options. You don't have to. The ellipsis here, the dot dot dot, means you can specify as many options as you want, and then you can specify also the file if you wanted as many as you want, but all these are optional since they are inside the brackets. Okay, you don't have to. And down here it's going to show you the different options that are available. If I typed ls space -a, it's going to display all the contents within the directory without ignoring the ones that are starting with the dot, the hidden files. Okay, and you see, as I scroll down, we have a long list of options available for the ls command. So one quick trick, it's almost sometimes it's hard to scroll down like that, and these are the shortcut that you're going to use in order to navigate your many pages. Okay, if you want to go forward one page, you can tab the space bar. As you can see here, we just moved forward one page. Tap that again, the space bar. We went ahead and moved another page, and so on and so on. If you want to move back, you can do Control B. So you press and hold Control key and tab the B. So Control B, Control B again, B as in Bravo, Control B, back again, back, all the way to the beginning now. Okay. If you want to move all the way to the end, you hit uppercase G is going to take you to the end of your man page. So capital G, and then lowercase g is going to bring you back to the beginning. Okay, so again, you want to move all the way to the end, the very last page. You want to hit capital G, uppercase G as in golf, and that is your very last page right there. And if you want to move all the way to the beginning, you want to do lowercase G as in golf, and here we are at the very beginning. Let's say you know a specific keyword, or you want to know where it's located, right? Let's say you're looking for a specific string. Let's say within the ls command, you are looking for, if you want to search, let's say for a string forward within the man page, you want to type /. You can see here at the very bottom here in the lower bottom left corner, we just typed the slash, and you enter whatever you're looking for. Let me say, for example, all, and it's going to highlight every single spot where the word all, ALL, was found. Okay, and if you hit N as in November, N, it's going to move you forward through all the where it found the ALL that we were looking for. And again, there it is, there it is. If you want to move backward, you want to search backward, you want to do capital N, uppercase N. There we are, moving back, searching backward, looking for the ALL, backward. Okay, now let's say we are already at the very bottom of the man pages, and in this case you want to search starting from the bottom, going backward all the way to the beginning. In that instance, what you want to do is type question mark. You see the question mark at the bottom left hand side, and then your keyword that you're looking for. Let's say we're looking for lines that contain the word ignore, and enter. As you can see here, it just gave us our first item or line that contains the word ignore here, and you type N for like next or November. It's going to show you the next one, and the next, and the next, and that's how you search backward if you are at the very bottom and you want to go backward, starting from the bottom going back up. Okay, and again, if you want to quit, get out of the man pages, you want to press Q as in Quebec. And if you want to get more help on man pages, you want to press the letter H as in hotel. See, it's even displayed down here for you. So you have H to get some help and Q to quit. Okay, let's get out of here for now. Go back to the command terminal. So there are some commands that are built-in, shell built-in commands, and then there are some that are executable files. Okay, the man pages are only for the executable files. That means how do you know if a command is an executable file, right? You type like that, type rm for remove, enter. This is an executable file, and here you can see that's the path to the rm command. Another example would be type cd. Cd is for to change the directory. That's the command that you use to go from one directory to another. Here, as you can see, it says cd is a shell built-in command. So that means for a shell built-in command, you're not going to have man pages. For example, if I say man cd, because cd is a shell built-in command, we don't have the manuals built for those. Let's check that. Man cd, enter. See, it says no manual entry for cd. But if we try manual pages on rm for remove, we should find something. Because this is an executable file. rm is an executable file. Okay, man page rm, enter. See, RM is for remove files or directories. This is the syntax, the synopsis, and scroll down. All these are the different extensions or options that you have with RM. Okay, again, to get out of the main page, you type Q for quit, and here we are back to the command terminal. Okay, there's also a way for both. There's also a way to find out some help for both the executable files and the shell built-in commands. You can do, say, for example, cd space hyphen or minus help. It's also going to give you what? Some help and explanation on how to utilize the cd command. You see, you typed your command and then minus help, and these options, this option or syntax, this one works for both shell built-in and the executable file type of command. Okay, let's say remove help minus help. See, it's also giving what? It's giving you some help. Okay, let's say you know some kind of keyword for the kind of command you are looking for, and that's all you probably know, and you're looking for, say, what's the command for that, right? For example, let's say you want to copy files and you're looking for the command for that, and you don't know what the command is. You could do the way to find out what command you could use for such an operation is you type man -k with the option K, and then you can specify a string, and then let man pages search for you and see if it found something that matches this kind of string. Okay, let's see. There we go. So man pages has looked up everywhere, and these three options are what it's found for you that has the string copy files. And as we know, the first one, CP, is what we're looking for. Okay, if you want to copy files, which is what we wanted to do, we want to use the command CP. Okay, so there it is, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this little video here. And as always, if you get stuck anywhere with, say, commands like this, and you don't know what you should utilize or what extension or options to put next to the command, remember, Google is out there. You can always Google search and find more explanations out there. And as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.